Morning, everybody. It's 8:20, and there's no real economic news this morning. It's usually the case on Mondays, so I'm gonna give you a shortened version early. Okay, this is Monday morning, the 25th of July, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1377 for this Monday morning. So I'm fairly disgusted, aggravated, disappointed, many things. And the reason is that I'm listening to people on CNBC bullshit me with the semantics of what a recession is. And the Biden administration trotted out everybody's least favorite grandmother, um, Ms. Yellen, uh, who just outright lied on Meet the Press. Either that or she's dramatically ill informed, talking about the recession. I don't know if we're in a recession. I feel like we are. Uh, we have numbers coming out, the first look at the second quarter coming out on Thursday, um, and it's expected to be up 0.3%. And it may be, and it may not be. What bothers me is that Janet Yellen came out and said a couple of things that are just not true. She said that manufacturing is good. Manufacturing is not good. Um, the Empire State Index fell off a cliff, down double digits when it was expected up. Philly Fed last week fell off a cliff. Expected up 1.2, came in at minus 12.3. That is not good. What really bothers me, though, is somebody who I kind of respect in Chuck Todd didn't say to her, but what about? Um, and so that's really annoying. And what she did say was kind of one of those, well, this isn't really the way that we should be figuring what a recession is. So, in other words, we're just going to change the way we call a recession because we don't want to call a recession right now ahead of midterms. Truly disgusting, and very disappointing. Elon Musk had an affair with Sergey Brin's wife, or he didn't. More importantly, who cares? This is a Wall Street Journal report this morning. I don't get it. Um, Uber, in a deal with Move, which is the big ride sharing app in India, Philips PHG reported poor earnings based on um, oil and uh, a bunch of other extraneous items. The stock is 2056. It's down $1.58 or 17%. This is Philips, which is in a diagnostic and healthcare business, not Philips 66, which is a refiner. Newmont also a miss on earnings. Very disappointing to me. With gold having seemingly turned, maybe we'll get a reversal here today. The stock is 49.60, down $1.79 or 3.5%. Sega is a company that I mentioned uh, about 2 months ago when in May, when monkeypox became an issue. The stock had moved from about $7 to a high of about $18 in pre-market on the 23rd of May, and then during the day only got as high as 1460 and then closed actually down on the day at 1083, down $1.58. Well, it's been backing and filling now with highs in the area of about 15 and lows in the area of about 10 or 11. This morning it's trading 1534 up 327, which is up about 26%. Asia and Europe are both down. The Dow, which was down last night when I did the Sunday evening video for the market letter, currently the Dow is up 173, and that's about the high. NASDAQ is up about 57, that's also the high, and up about $21 in the S&P. As far as the futures go, gold is down slightly after being down last night, and then working its way back to the upside. Currently down 320. So after a $60 run between Thursday's low and Friday's close, um, you know, $3 one way or the other isn't going to make it. It's relatively tight range, although it is now $17 of range. It got down to 17.17 and has traded as high as 17.34. Oil is up $1.46. Nat gas is up about 7 cents. The copper is up about 2 cents, while the gold and silver are both down. None of the grains are up, but are open, but coffee, cocoa, sugar, well, not sugar. Sugar is not up, but coffee has become a really wild market, up and down $5-10 a day. Cotton up a little on a bounce from $90 to $92. The dollar is slightly lower. Bitcoin down 715, and Ethereum down $3. So Ethereum clearly outperforming, and the bonds are down 18/32, so about 9/16 or 5/8 of a dollar. All right, everyone, be careful out there. It is treacherous. I think, I was looking for 40.25 to 4100. The S&P is now 39.82. It did in fact hit 40.16 last week, so we're getting into an area that is at least questionable. Have a good morning.